Hello friends! Is your car running rough on cold starts, struggling with acceleration, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0412, don't ignore it. This code is related to the secondary air injection system, specifically the air injection control valve circuit. If left unchecked, it can cause poor performance, increased emissions, and potential engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0412 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0412? The P0412 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Switch Valve A Circuit Malfunction. The SAI system helps reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust system during cold starts. This fresh air helps burn unburned fuel and lower pollution levels. The SAI system uses an air pump and an air control valve, which opens and closes to regulate airflow. If the ECU detects an issue with the electrical circuit controlling the switch valve, it triggers P0412. Common symptoms of P0412 include a check engine light turning on a rough idle during cold start, sluggish acceleration or power loss, an unusual hissing noise from the engine bay, and a failed emissions test. If you notice these issues, let's locate the key components of the SAI system. The SAI system has several key components and their locations vary by vehicle. Here's where you can find them. Typically, the secondary air pump is located near the front bumper or inside the engine bay, close to the radiator. The air injection control valve, also known as switch valve A, is found between the secondary air pump and the exhaust manifold. The SAI pressure sensor is usually mounted near the intake manifold or along the air injection hose. Finally, the SAI relay and fuse are located in the engine bay fuse box. The exact location depends on your vehicle. Check your service manual for precise details. So let's dive into some common causes of the P0412 error code. First up, a faulty air injection control valve. If this valve is stuck or malfunctioning, it just won't regulate airflow correctly. Next, wiring issues or loose connections. Damaged, corroded, or disconnected wiring can prevent the ECU from controlling the valve properly. Then we have a blown fuse or faulty relay. A bad fuse or relay can cut power to the switch valve, and that triggers the P0412 code. Another cause could be a faulty SAI pressure sensor. If this sensor fails, it might send incorrect data to the ECU. Finally, a failed secondary air pump. If the air pump isn't working, the system won't generate the required airflow. These are the most common culprits behind the P0412 error code. So, how do you fix the P0412 error code? Let's go through the steps. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0412 code and check for any related codes. Next, locate the air injection control valve and inspect it for any damage or clogs. Then, check the wiring and connectors leading to the switch valve. Repair or replace any damaged wires. After that, test the SAI pressure sensor with a multimeter and replace it if necessary. Also, inspect the SAI relay and fuse in the engine bay. Replace them if they are blown. Finally, clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and take the vehicle for a test drive. The P0412 error code can cause cold start issues, poor acceleration, and failed emissions tests. If your car has this issue, check the air control valve, inspect the wiring, and test the fuse and relay to get your vehicle running smoothly again. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0112. Intake air temperature sensor circuit low input, and P0113. Intake air temperature sensor circuit high input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.